So this is Steffen from OSRAM Automotive. Today I want to talk with you about legal LED conversion in cars headlamps. We were the first supplier 3 years ago which launched the NightBreaker LED, a legal LED conversion from halogen to LED. We extended to a car list which is now containing more than 250 cars which are legal to convert in all major countries in Europe. We recently optimized the NightBreaker LED H7 to the Gen 2 with better electronics and more light output. And now we are again improving our products. You can see here the LED H7 Smart version, which is shorter and has a light output up to 330% more. With this smart lamp, we were also able to increase the compatibility list of the cars again. So more cars on the compatibility list with this smaller and more efficient lamp. Before we want to install it in this headlamp, some quite important things about regulation. These lamps do not have an e-approval, as this is not possible for the moment. It is working with an APG. This is an approval document which need to be carried with you. The car model, the e-approval number of the car is inside, and also the headlamp approval number. Where you can find the headlamp approval number, it is usually on a sticker on the headlamp or somewhere on the lens. So the car approval number and also the headlamp approval number need to match for a legal usage of the product. As the next highlight, I will also install here is our W5W T10 lamp, which is in this case now approved for all car models. There is no more compatibility list. This product is approved for all car models and all light functions behind a clear glass. So we're talking about license plate, we're talking about position light. Yeah? The only thing which is not working is turn indicator, for example, because this is behind colored glass. And also, of course, you can use it for interior application. Now I want to show you the installation, how easy it is with the headlamp of the VW Passat B8. There's a compatibility list which is online, and where you can see the car model. The reason is for some car models there is some accessory needed, like some mechanical installation adapter, like some additional cap or some smart canvas if the car is showing some error messages. So this means we are always providing the complete system for the car. Let's move ahead and install the H7 in the low beam and the W5W at the position light of this Passat B8 headlamp. This is approved headlamp, so the headlamp approval number is in the compatibility list. So, and now, first of all, so this headlamp is originally equipped with halogen lamps, H7 lamps and W5W in low beam and position light, and this is what we now want to convert to LED. This headlamp does not need any kind of adapter, so this is really a plug-and-play solution. Good. Let's see how we can do it here. Okay, let's start with the installation of the H7 Smart in the VW Passat headlamp. We're opening the headlamp cover. We are unplugging the lamp and taking out the lamp. That's it. In this case, for this car, it's just a click connection of the lamp. So this means we're just installing it in the same position. We are connecting the cable. It does not matter which direction. Polarity does not make any difference. We're putting the cable inside the headlamp and closing it. Conversion already done for the H7. For the W5W, it is even easier. We're also installing the W5W. For this car, you just need to take out a small lamp holder, uninstall the old lamp, install a new lamp. Once again, does not matter the polarity, just insert, close it again, and we're done. So, let me show you the results. Okay, 1 second. You can already see now. Let's switch on the headlamp with low beam and position light installed, legal to use on the road. I think you can already see the difference to before. It's amazing and without words, wow. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trusting in OSRAM quality, and looking forward for the next time. We're having some very great news ahead in the next couple of months. Stay tuned.